This is a Miller Moorehead Model 100. And look at that slit. Nice and clean. This is a yellow label 100. That means it's gonna be the last of the production. Early ones didn't even have a serial tag. It does have your hold down roll. The scales are readable on both sides of the fence. Single phase, 1/4 horsepower motor, power indicator light. It does only have forward. They never hooked up the reverse, so it is reverse capable, but again, there's really no need for it. Quiet running machine. These are some of the best, well, actually I always say this is the best laminate slitter because of its cast iron superstructure. And again, the proof is in the workpiece itself. And when you look, these are just super, I mean, look how clean. I mean, it's nice and straight. It's not jaggedy. The tooling on these machines tends to last for decades. The tooling is more fitted for metal work. And what they did is they decided to put it into a laminate slitter. So again, the dies in this machine tend to last a very, very long time. Heavy duty gears in the back, as you can see, just built to last pretty much indefinitely and better than anything that you can buy new. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in. It's a 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.